Hi, this is Sarah and I'm here today to share with you a faceless or with face YouTube channel idea on parenting videos. It doesn't matter you're a parent or not. If you are good at research and you're good at editing, you can get the help of ChatGPT for parenting videos content. Let's talk about how you can actually make money on parenting videos. There are several ways, including ad revenue, sponsored contents, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. You can post these videos not only on your YouTube channel but also on your Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Before we start this video, let me tell you what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Let's have a look at people working in this niche and earning good money with a good number of subscribers.
You can see this video here with 4.2 million views within 2 years. And the title is 5 Parenting Styles and Their Effects on Life. It's a faceless video. The next one here is again a faceless YouTube video. Every parent needs to know this. And this video has 2 million views within a year.
Now let me show you the step-by-step guide of starting this parenting videos channel on YouTube. As we know that parenting is a vast topic, so first of all we need to choose a niche, a topic for our channel. It could be anything like parenting for single parents or parenting for newborn babies or parenting for single moms. Anything you think interests you, you can start a channel on that topic. All you have to do is you need to type in ChatGPT, please give me the ideas for the niche, for the category to start a channel in parenting videos, and it will give you the ideas.
All you need to do is to open basic free version of ChatGPT and type, please give me ideas to start a channel on parenting videos. You will see how quickly ChatGPT will give you the ideas. You can regenerate these responses so ChatGPT can give you some more examples. You can see different responses from ChatGPT here: parenting challenges, family activities, parenting vlogs, and so on. You can choose any of these ideas.
Once you have the channel idea and you start your channel, the next thing will be the content ideas. ChatGPT will help you in this. You can ask ChatGPT the questions like what are the best outdoor activities for kids or how to deal with picky eaters. My top tip for using ChatGPT, which I have already mentioned in my other videos, is whenever using ChatGPT, never rely on the first response. Always regenerate the response, then copy the text and ask ChatGPT to edit it for you, like in different words or simple words. Once you have the text ready from ChatGPT, check for plagiarism on different free websites like Plagiarism Checker or Grammarly. The reason behind this process is that different people might be asking for the same from ChatGPT to create content on the same subject you're asking, and ChatGPT can or might give the same response to them. So to avoid this, you have to do your own research. You can edit some text yourself and then use the final text for your video. Once you have the content ideas for your video, next step will be script writing. ChatGPT will help you in writing the whole script for your video. Let me show you how it will do.
It's the same process we did before for choosing a topic. You need to open ChatGPT and write, please write a script for YouTube video. Parenting tips for single moms. I'm writing this one. You can type any of your title. Then you will see here ChatGPT has given you the whole script for the video from introduction till end. You need to follow the same process to find tags for your video and title and description.
Once you have the script ready, next comes the description. ChatGPT will give you the whole description for your video as well. ChatGPT can help you craft compelling video descriptions that include relevant keywords to boost your video's discoverability on YouTube. This can lead to more views and ultimately more income. ChatGPT will help you finding tags for your videos, not only tags but also the keywords to use in your video description. ChatGPT will also help you in giving trending video title ideas which you can use for your video. Once you have all the content ready from ChatGPT, next comes editing your video. As I told you, you can start this channel without showing your face or with showing your face. If you decide to show your face in your YouTube channel, then it's easy, just put your camera and start recording. And if you decide to start your channel without showing your face, there are different resources available, free ones as well, from where you can get the background videos and use in your YouTube videos. I use Pexels to get videos for the background of my other faceless YouTube channels because Pexels is free. They have free to use videos without any copyrights, and also they have huge collection of videos. Once your channel starts working good and you have a good number of subscribers, finding sponsors is a great way to monetize your channel. You can use ChatGPT to draft sponsorship proposals and pitch emails to potential partners. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and watching it till end. Hope this helps you in your money making journey. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.